Hello, this is just a short video of I'm frying up some homemade chicken nuggets. I got some chicken breast, floured it up, put my seasoning. Usually I'll put my mixed flour, black pepper, turmeric, paprika. I'll use a little bit of Mediterranean seasoning, powdered spice. Mix that up in flour. Chop up my chicken. Put them in the oil, and then I'll fry it up for about, between 5 to 8 minutes. 2.5 minutes each side, maybe 3 minutes each side for the chicken nuggets. These are homemade. These are not store-made chicken nuggets. Deep fried, flour. People don't like deep frying, but I like deep frying, and if you do it in moderation, you exercise, you'll be alright. Yeah, it is oil, vegetable oil, but you'll be alright. So, it's a little short cooking video, fast city cooking video. Homemade chicken nuggets. Oh yeah. Bye.